my beautiful people in the building. Hello, hello, hello. My darling people, today na about Chacha. Chacha don finally come out so he can't clear the hair. He say, now this bipolar disorder wey dey worry her. Say na him make she dey talk anyhow. She dey talk out of point. He say the thing don dey do her since. Say na her husband. Na he stand by her, na her husband, na dey support am ever since. He say so, and she say no, make she come clear the hair so that make una really know wetin happen to her, you know. I really like, as in, I really feel for her because this medicine wey she dey take now, my people, this medicine wey she dey take now, the thing na, the thing dey shocktalize me like, the thing dey somehow, you understand, my people, because when I just see the medicine, there really many which she dey take. You say because if the thing dey do her, she dey talk out of point, my people. He say so, na him make she come out that day say she is done with the marriage. He say her husband not do am anything, oh, help, innocent man. He say he not do am anything. He say so he just surprised wey he not even know when she dey talk that way she talk, you know. So he can't see so many people they talk different things. Even his brother, when he never see for a long time now, he surprised with his brother can't even they talk about her. Say she can't shocktalize. He say so her husband not be waiting people they think say now he be, oh, so they say her husband they beat him. The husband they do this, for husband they do that one. He say na lie, oh, nothing like that. He say nothing like that. Even the hospital where she did for Abuja, that her husband follow her dey there. He say nothing like that. So more na listen, my people, where she dey talk, more na listen. I just feel for her. My people.
I didn't know what they were, where they came from, these feelings that always made me feel different from the inside. 4 years. On the 3rd of October, I had yet another episode that drove me out of my house.
Now the year.
I found myself racing to Zenith Bank to withdraw money, to do welcome back of my phone lines that I had destroyed myself. It was as my husband tried to stop me on our way to Zenith Bank that I realized that that was even a Saturday. When that failed, still acutely manifesting from bipolar disorder, I found my way to Southgate Hotel, where Nollywood people usually camp and make departures from. Prior to that day, I didn't know I had bipolar, but my husband did. He did because 2 weeks before the 12th of October, I had had yet another serious episode that landed me at the hospital, still First Delta American Hospital. It was so bad, I regret most of the actions that came with that episode. But my hospital didn't tell me that he was bipolar when I was discharged. Dr. Isioma Okoba, the doctor and the owner of First Delta American Hospital, they had told my husband on that visit that your wife is bipolar, but my husband was finding a better time to bring the news to me when another relapse happened. And it happened this time because he tried to get me to take my meds, to take my medications. And like I said, I didn't know that I was really a bipolar victim, a bipolar patient, I meant to say. I didn't know, but I took out my anger on him when he said, "Did you take your drugs?" And growing up, I didn't used to like to take drugs. I still don't. But look at all the drugs that they gave me from the visit to the hospital 2 weeks ago. Albumet, this is for pregnancy, they said. Olanzapam, famous sulfate, folic acid, B complex, and haloperidol. I started flushing this down the toilet instead of taking them.
Oh.
3 days I didn't take them, and it resulted in the embarrassing display that I displayed in front of Southgate.
Oh.
My husband said, take your drugs, but I got angry with him, like, how dare you try to insinuate like those doctors and nurses that I'm ill and mentally ill. That was his only crime. I flipped it on him like an enemy, and I heard myself saying crazy things like I'm leaving my husband. I would not leave my husband. I would never leave my husband and my children and my home. My family, having a home, being Mrs. Fanny, and being mother to the beautiful children God has given me is too much blessings to take for granted. And so I say this to as many as are out there that care about me as a person and care about my brand as Chacha, that I didn't leave my home, and I'm not leaving. Saying that I'm living with my life in the video you saw on 3rd October is one out of the many crazy things that I say and that many.
Now the year. It's not one of the crazy things which she they do. If the thing they do her, one of the things which they do now it be that one which she saying she is done with the marriage. She said nothing like that. She said nothing like that. My people. Now, wow. What are listening?
Bipolar disorder patients say when facing episodes or crisis. I realized that the video I also made defending my husband being alleged to be a wife beater has got some people even instigating more mess. My younger brother, whom the only time I have seen him, whom the last time I had seen him is May 12th last year. I have
year. The last time we don't see a brother reach. A brother will come out when they talk anyhow.
My son Chimere on the 10th of May 2019. I saw you, Ike, on the 12th of May. I have never set eye on you since then till now. It's over a year. It's almost 2 years. Even when I called you early this year, you didn't pick my call. You didn't return it either. And here you are out there, putting fire where there's none, creating doubt so that no one will know what to believe anymore because you're my family member. But here I am, seated and telling the whole world that personally, as Charity, over the years, even before becoming Mrs. Fanny, there have been an age-long strain between me and the Eke family. So it's no surprise that my brother will come to say things that a detractor would say. Ike, stop it. It's not cute. Stop it, because I deserve better from you as a sibling, whom I have been nothing but good to. I also realize that there are colleagues out there who, Victoria Nyama and Georgina Onoha, I choose to translate your videos and concerns as part of you loving me, because it takes love for someone to go out there and start to make proclamations or raise alarm on behalf of the person. But in this case, there is no need for any alarm that has been raised. This is not me trying to save my marriage, it's not damage control. I'm pregnant for what would have been my 5th child, if not for one of the post.
My people, I know I'm here to play her voice, and I just feel for her. I really feel for her because it's not easy to get that kind sickness, like you can't behave abnormal, like person wey your head not correct, I just really feel for her. I wanna pray for Chacha. She get belle, she's pregnant. He say no go leave her husband for anything, no. Him with her husband, they still they can't be. Then they all those one people just they talk. Now so Chacha not dey with her husband, and so na lie. He dey with her husband, no, my people. I say I can't tell you now she dey with her husband. So na hear her voice now. Una hear when she talk, she dey with her husband. So now wetin I say I can't tell you now, my people. Say now when the thing they do her, she know they know what she dey talk again. Say na it cause am. When she come dey talk anyhow, say I'm done with the marriage. Whereas she never done with the marriage. Oh, she see the marriage. Thank you, everybody. Take care. So anything what you think about this video, you can leave your comments for the comment section. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and hit notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless.